How to open a BPI checking account. What are the requirements? What are the steps to apply? If these are the questions you have in mind, then this video is for you. I finally opened a BPI checking account last week. Compared to opening a regular savings account, this is more difficult to open, and I will share it why later. The process is almost the same, but the feeling is different because you'll feel richer. Like how you usually see it on TV being used by the rich characters. But kidding aside, it has several advantages that make having it the right choice. Advantages of a checking account. First things first, checking account is not only for the rich anymore. I opened mine with just 10,000 pesos. I decided to get it because I am in that moment of my life that having a checking account is a must. If you are also in that moment, then this post can help you. So here are the 5 advantages of opening a checking account. Secured payment option. The best feature of a checking account is, of course, the security it offers. For example, if you have a business transaction with someone you barely know, then you can pay that person with a cross check. It is to ensure that the payee can only deposit it to his real account, which will further prove that he is the same person you are transacting with. Convenience. It provides convenience, most especially if you are purchasing a new car or a house maybe. Bringing a check instead of cash is much more convenient on top of the security mentioned above. Used to track cash flow. Checks are serialized, and there are pages at the beginning of your checkbook where you can write the details about the checks you released. In return, this will help you in tracking where your money goes. Payment for recurring bills. You might be required by your landlord to issue post-dated checks, PDCs, before signing the leasing contract. This feature of a check will help you pay your dues timely and your landlord, in this case, to easily deposit the checks on his account. It will provide you a good credit history while giving your creditors convenience. Payment for investments. If you have insurance and investments to pay, then having a checking account is very handy. In my case, I enjoy investing in initial public offerings, IPOs, but they only accept the manager's check or personal check. Typically, the manager's check is issued for additional 50 pesos, and I have to mention the long line you need to brave. Thus, having it will spare you from the long queue and it's cheaper too. How to open a BPI checking account. You can easily open a BPI checking account by visiting the nearest branch in your area. But before that, you need to know the steps and things to bring so you can have a smoother transaction. Here are the steps in opening a BPI checking account. 1. Secure the requirements. You must bring 2 pieces of 1x1 picture with a clear background, 1 billing statement showing your present address, photocopy of 2 valid IDs, and an initial deposit of 10,000 pesos. 2. Proceed to the branch. Once you have the requirements ready, then you may now proceed to the nearest branch in your area and get a queuing number from the guard. 3. Short interview with the bank teller. The bank teller will ask you a question you might have overlooked. Why are you opening a checking account? Unlike a savings account, you must have a clear goal. Why are you opening a checking account? Don't tell that you just feel getting it because, most likely, your application will be denied. Your answer must be similar to the following: business purposes, investment, for a condo purchase, etc. 4. Fill out the application forms. Once you have given an excellent answer to why you need it, the teller will provide you with forms you need to fill out. Upon completion, you may now submit it to the teller together with the other requirements. By the way, aside from the deposit of 10,000 pesos, you must also be ready to pay 250 pesos per checkbook. 5. Wait until done. Sometimes the branch can release your checkbook the same day only if they have the facility to create it. However, most of the time, they will suggest you coming back again on the same day of next week to get your checks together with the ATM card. And that's how you can get a BPI checking account. And that's it. Don't forget to like and share this video. If you have questions or suggested topics, just leave a comment down below. Please click the subscribe and bell button so you can be updated with our latest post about personal finance. And together let's achieve lifetime financial security.